Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on your gas range, first unplug the old cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the wire cover. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the power cord wire connector. Then unthread the grounding screw to remove the old power cord. Install the new power cord by inserting the wire connector through the hole in the wire cover. Then position the strain relief in the cover and thread the grounding screw. Connect the wire connector. Then realign the wire cover and thread the mounting screws to secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the new power cord in, and your gas range should be ready for use.